I'm so hungry. Their lobster king bowl? That'll do. So here we have the lobster king bowl. Simply open the package. Very, very simple. You have two packages inside. One's for broth and one's for the flakes, the vegetable flakes. I have some boiling water here, in which all you do is pour the boiling water into the bowl. Now for those of you that burn boiling water, can't help you, but it's so simple. The boiling water, let's put in the flakes and the broth or seasoning. Doesn't matter which order, so simple. Just pour them inside. Give it a little do-si-do in there. Cover it up. Cover it up. Cover it up. Let it sit for 4 minutes, and there you are, a tasty treat. Wow, it's spicy. It's delicious. Join the Ramen Club, the front line of a good noodle.